Welcome. Thank you very much for your responses to the midterm evaluation. I'm really glad that most of you enjoyed the courses and found it helpful and found the instructions and teaching style to be clear. Uh, so I posted the survey results. You can find it here. So if you clicked here, you can download the file. So the back of the lecture, I mean, that's an excellent response, about right. And I think that's a big advantage of having this class as asynchronous, is that each one can go at his own pack. The I'm glad like all of you found the instructor to be effective in helping you to understand the course material. So I'm glad to find this also. These are the student responses about the instructor. If you want to pause the video and read them, and about the handout and the homework. Again, if you want to pause the video and read them, and about the course. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Here is a summary for the positive and negative themes that you found. So this is just direct quotes from you. So if you want to again pause the video and read them. And this is the summary response. So here is a positive theme. I think like many of you enjoyed the course. They found the explanation clear. They appreciate the real world applications. They found enough resources for the homework and found the homework useful for emphasizing the material. They found the course to be well organized and patient and responsiveness. That's mainly for a student who took advantage of the office hours. Either during office hours they will stop at my office and I will help them with questions they have, or if you cannot stop by my office, you can schedule office hour with me at any time. So whenever I'm available, just take advantage of this and schedule an office hour with me and we can meet online. If you are not available during office hours. Office hours again are Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 4 and and by appointment. And by appointment, we could either meet in person at my office or we can meet online using Teams, for example. Yeah. Okay. So please take advantage of this. I see like all 3 students has also did this. These are some suggestions for improvement. Difficulty in handwriting in the video. I mean, yes, I mean, I agree with you. And I tried my best. I ordered a new laptop for actually this course so that the screen resolution would be uh, crisp when I write. So that's like one thing I did. But my handwriting in general is not clear. I think that's the main issue. Even if I have a very good laptop, the issue is my handwriting is not clear. But there is a solution for this. So like, so one thing I think some of you didn't notice. Let me show you the solution for this. Is if you go here to the modules, where is the modules? Yeah, if you go here to the modules, uh, at the beginning of each module, I put the lecture notes. So like if you go here, yeah, you can find the lecture notes that would include, for example, like the PowerPoint file and any other codes like Excel sheets or uh, whatever Python codes that I use to prepare this thing. So if you downloaded this one, so you can download this one, yeah. And if you downloaded this one, so if you downloaded this one, let me just open it. My computer is a little bit slow. Uh, you will actually find everything, all the material that I have on the videos. So you see here, it's all the material is typed. So I typed everything. So you see everything is typed. So it will be very clear to read, like not my handwriting. So you find actually there is another version of this video, which is this slide. So if you found my handwriting not clear, or like you find difficulty following up because not all the equation are on one screen, as one student has mentioned, please use these slides in addition to the video. So if something is unclear on the slides or you cannot follow up all the equation, that would be an excellent resource. So like you see, here's this example I have. Like this is the area, and here. In addition, you will also find, let me show you, like uh, some additional information that I put here. Like you see on the notes of the slides, there are always, not always, but several times I could put some additional information which you can read here also. Yeah, so you have so this like additional information. See, like you can see here, additional information that you can read. Uh, one remark also, the student said like the video are could be shortened. Yes, I know they have a lot of filler words. They could be shortened, but uh, I'm still like learning this. I don't know how to edit these videos yet to shorten them, like to remove all these filler words and just to get directly to the point. But that's something that I'm still learning, and but that's okay. They are not awfully long. Yeah. So that's like one thing you have about like how to deal with handwriting. Mouse pointer visibility, I fixed this in future video, so hopefully in future video you will not see this one. One student requested additional practice problem. Uh, so I put like enough practice problem, especially when you need to do more practice, like for example, like learning how to differentiation, integration, where you need like more practice. I put like additional practice problem. So also in this slide you might find some additional practice problems that are not in the video. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I will put like here some additional practice problems that are not in the video. But here's my suggestion: if you find like one particular topic or one particular lesson where you need some more additional practice problem, then just in the exit ticket tell me, could you please provide additional practice problem for this particular lesson because I want to practice this more. Because remember, like this course, I look at several books to prepare this, and I got like many examples. Not I don't copy and paste them exactly, but I just modify them. So I tried my best to put as many practice problem for you. But please, uh, if you have any particular topic, just let me know in the exit ticket, and I can provide this additional practice problem. Or one student said like he or she would prefer to have all the practice problem in one file by module. Uh, it is there. Yeah, so you have this file. This file is not a PDF. This file is a PowerPoint file. So if you want to do this, it is there already. So like all the like you can here like each module. Let me show you another module. Let's just do another module. So like differential calculus. Yeah. So at the beginning of differential calculus module, you find the lecture notes. So in this lecture note, you have the slides, you have the Python code, you have the Excel. Here's instruction in how to install Python, for example, if you want to play with this Python code. But you have this Excel file. So one thing you can do If you want to have all the practice problem or homework problem or whatever, you can just like delete the slides that you don't want and keep the slides that you want. And that's how you're going to have all the practice problem in one file. So this is already there. So I just want to make sure that you are aware that at the beginning of each module, before the videos, there is the lecture notes. So please check this out. There are a lot of useful resources, and sometimes these resources, you can use this Excel sheet, for example, to solve your homework. That would make your homework much easier. Yeah. Uh, uh, by module. Okay, now here is I think I got about 3 students and uh, request a midterm to reduce the final weight. So some students, they said, oh, why don't we have a midterm? So instead of having a finals at 30%, and we will have it like 20% and a midterm 15 or something. Uh, Unfortunately, I cannot do this. Maybe I can do it next semester. I mean, it's a good suggestion. I can do this next semester, but this semester I cannot do this because I'm not allowed to change the grading scheme. I am allowed to change the syllabus. So if I want to remove some lessons, for example, from the syllabus or add new lessons or whatever, I can do this. That is doable. But the only thing that I'm not allowed to do is to change the grading scheme. So if the final has 30% of the grade, I cannot change it like to 20% and add like a midterm. I mean, that is, I'm not allowed to do this. And just since I mentioned this, let me just talk about this. I actually did some, not, I mean, some modifications, a little bit of modification to the syllabus. So what I did, let's just check the syllabus. I mean, I don't, or we don't even need to check the syllabus. Like, let's just check here. So like all this is the same. Like we did this introduction, we did dimensional analysis, we did differential calculus, we did integral calculus, we did the spring breaks. That's all according to the syllabus. Nothing changed here. Computer simulation and modeling and linear algebra, that's again according to the syllabus. Nothing changed here. What I did here is that like for the linear algebra part, it was originally was supposed to be like 2 weeks. What I did, I only made it 1 week, and the other weeks, the other extra week, I use it for something else, which is a new modules that I added, and in two new modules, elective modules. And basically, this elective modules, you don't need to do both of them. You only need to watch the video for one of them. And this module actually are in response to your request as initial course survey. Remember, at the beginning of the course, some student requested, they were interested in learning some topics. So in response to your request, like one student, for example, said, I want to learn about cost estimation. Well, cost estimation here, like this cost estimation, you will learn cost estimation and cost estimation method. But in this course, you can learn about advanced engineering analysis methods, like engineering methods, not advanced, but engineering methods for cost estimation. And here I put for you, for example, Monte Carlo simulation for cost estimation. So you will see like a method, a probabilistic method for cost estimation, for example. And here is like another regression analysis, because I knew some of you might need this for other courses. So I just put this for you. Yeah, and you only for this part, I mean, of course you can watch both of them, but you only need to do exit ticket for one of them. So that is something I did in response to your. Uh, so that's the only. So that's just a minor modification to the syllabus, making this 1 week and using this extra week for these two guys. These two guys will not be included in your final exam. So your final exam will be only up till linear algebra. The elective module will not be in the final exam. So there is really no change in the syllabus because I just like reduce the material by 1 week and use this week to provide some things that might be of interest to you. And for this week is the homework for this one is basically for week 15 and 16. So week 16 that's like an extra week, which is which is like yeah, so some professor will use it to like give the exam, but I will still keep it here for instruction, also not to give the exam. But so for this week, like week 15, 16, you can check this homework. Yeah. Application of a course concept. So I just, it's a very simple homework. It's just like, I mean, you can read it here. So I provided the information. You just select any concept or any method or anything that you liked or enjoyed or find helpful in this course and just apply it. So here is the instruction. Just like apply it to a problem of your interest and prepare like a 1 or 2 page report about it. So it should be something simple. Yeah. Okay, that would be the homework for this week for this elective modules. Okay, so let's see what else. So I cannot do this, but request, but in relation, like if you're worried about the final, some of you also requested that I can provide a review week. I can do this. Yeah, I mean, I can provide a review week. So uh, in week 16, for example, I can use it for review. Yeah, so week 15 and 16, you can use it to watch one of these elective module or both of them if you are interested. I mean, both of them are very interesting and very useful in my opinion. And I could also later, by the end of the semester, I could provide an exam review. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Uh, I think that's all, and thank you very much for all your positive comment, and I'm glad you enjoyed the course. And let me know if you have any questions. So all these responses and this video, I will post it here. And like if you go to general midterm evaluation, I will like these are the responses, and I will post the video.